Yeah, early start. Figured I'd get on for a few. How you doing? Good morning. Been up since like 4:30 this morning. Couldn't sleep. Likewise. Trading NQ right now, trying to get this account ready to go. Market's selling off, which is what I expected, but it took a while to get there.
Order filled.
I just want my 200 for the day. Wow, don't do that. It's gonna stop me out. Bro. It's been going down all morning, and as soon as I jump in, big candle to the upside. Super sad. Alright, we might be saved.
Order filled.
I guess not. That's alright though. Time for a slight reversal probably. The gap fill is almost complete. We're about halfway there. Give or take. How long is this reversal good for though? Look at that push. Capped up. I'm gonna wait for something like this, like the doji. And I'll jump in another short. man, somebody bought a bunch of Apex accounts with my code. And I mean a bunch. That's cool. A little bit of a gap down there. See what this candle does and might jump in. It's kind of setting up a bear flag here. What's up, B. Collins? How you doing? You guys are up way early. Didn't expect to see some familiar faces. Or names, rather. But I'm glad I did. Everyone in my house is asleep till about 8 o'clock, 7:30. She's struggling to go higher, so maybe it's 3 p.m. for you. Cool. Where are you at again? I see. Doing the same, trying to get a little trade in before I go to work. Typically, I trade while riding around on the iPad, but sometimes I just don't see the market that good. Georgia. Yeah, the other Georgia. So many people, man. It's hard to remember every little detail, so I hope that I don't offend you. Georgia, the country. It's pretty out there. Have you ever been to Israel? Here's Georgia. Israel's here. Iran is here. Oh yeah, I can tell. Looks pretty from what I was just looking at. I'd like to go to Jerusalem. I want to see where the Lord was walking. Yeah, Georgia's beautiful. Tbilisi, Batumi, Sepen, Smita, Kutz. It's a lot of weird names. You should go, Paul. So being that you're from Georgia, is your name actually Paul? Super tired. Okay, you're from South Africa. Nice. That's a big difference. South Africa to Georgia. You probably flew over Israel. This looks like a short-term reversal. I don't know how long, but learning the language was so difficult. Yeah, I bet. I'm not very good at learning languages. Spanish wasn't terrible, but it's still foreign, you know? I know some Russian, not much, but I had some Russian friends. Excuse me, I have a slight cough. Speaking of Russian friend, it's his birthday the other day. He shares a birthday with my daughter Kylie, July 25th. So many sixes. We need to get through this 666 number. Right now we're at 662, but we gotta get to the sevens. Not a fan of the number 6. Is this just a pullback, or are we reversed for a little while? It's hard to say. So you guys are trading before work and stuff. How's it going? Russian is very common here, and as I don't look Georgian, everyone defaults in speaking to me in Russian. So I can speak some of it. Русский. Хорошо. some of the stuff I know. Let's see. How to show. I can't remember. It's been a long time. I'm sure I speak it with an accent though. I used to know a little bit more. I just can't remember. What do you guys think? Pullback or reversal? It's got to be a sizable pullback. I'm still hoping for the gap fill. You know what I mean? Yeah, I think I'm with you. I was just thinking I'm just going to hit a micro trade here and scale in whenever the time comes.
Order filled.
Risk about 75 bucks, give or take. I will scale in pretty heavy. My goal is to finish this gap fill, so anywhere in here will be fine. Up before we move down, yeah, so I'll scale in when it's about, I don't know, 50 bucks or so. Back to here. I need to make 300, so I'm probably going to have to scale in 2 more contracts to close this gap. Maybe I should have took it in a NQ trade, huh?
Order filled.
I do like this next candle though, so as long as we close below, I'll be even happier. It does look like a pullback. Trying to scale in a little early. The 1 minute doesn't look very good though. Not at all. If it does come back down, it could possibly just come for a double bottom to reverse, which that would really suck, but I guess it is what it is. I need to be at like 6 or 7 contracts. Maybe 4 or 5. All right, we're
Order
coming
filled.
down.
Order filled. Order filled.
Beautiful. Keep pushing, Nasdaq. If I would have taken this on NQ, I would be up $300 right now. Next leg down, hopefully. Not a reversal. Come on now. My stop's going to be at the current high from this area, so I'm actually going to scale in a little more.
Order
I like
filled.
that pullback. I think we can reach this area for sure. 490s.
Order filled.
Come on, Nasdaq. Do what you're supposed to do. Make us some money. I don't like that gap up, though. Jeez. Killing me. Start sizing down if it overtakes this candle here. Risk management is key, folks.
Order
All right, we
filled.
have overtaken that candle. I'm going to let it play out, but I need to start sizing down just in case. Hang tight. Let's see. We have 10 seconds left of this candle here. Come on, bears. Push it down.
Order filled.
All right, now we're in 5 contracts currently. If we can get back to green, I'll size back up.
Order filled.
Okay. My goal for this account is just to hit that $200 mark. I'm not going to take my payout, but I want to be eligible. It's my first account on Top Step, so might as well reach that goal, right? I want to build it up to like a $10,000 account and then take a payout for 5. Nasdaq, you doing me
Order
dirty.
filled.
Give it just a little bit of room here just in case it's going to reverse here. Not a big fan of you right now, Nasdaq. Alright, come on back down, baby. If I was in the one mini contract, I would have been done with this trade by now. That really hurts. Could start seeing a breakdown here. Maybe. Definitely looks like it wants to come down. Check out the 15 and 5. I don't like that at all. Short term, I think we can come down, but I think we're coming up for a little while. Could be wrong. That gap up still. Bulls are really trying to take it home. It's fun to watch, though, isn't it? Calm down, Bulls. ES is still doing the same. It's printing just exactly like it. This might come all the way down now. Let's see. Bears and Bulls are in a tug of war match right now. This candle comes down pretty heavy. I'll be satisfied. But it doesn't look like it's going to. So far, ES is holding. It's the middle of the night, isn't it? No, it is 6:25 here. I've been up since like 4:30, 4:45 a.m. my time. I put this sell limit here just in case it comes up here and then doesn't hit my stop loss. I want to be able to capture the move down if it does kind of hold that. So on the 1 minute, we have like a little trend going here. Here, 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 now here. So hopefully it'll shoot back down without hitting the sell limit. Tom Pellegrino, where are you located at? I can't remember. California, maybe? Can't remember, man. Almost hit that limit order. Gap down. Beautiful. Finally. Thank you, Nasdaq. Good sign to the downside. Come on. I missed my limit order by a tick. Literally. How about you hit the limit order, then go down Nasdaq? Now we have a gap up. Lovely. Yes, is kind of holding too.
Order filled.
I'm gonna sell one more, get rid of this limit. Come on. 42 miles north of Paducah, Marion. Oh, okay. Middle of the night. What are you talking about? Was that you? Yeah, it was you. I'm an early riser. I always have been. But I've always been a business owner too. I'm a hustler. Once we hit that break-even point, I'm going to scale in pretty sizable. There we go. Come on, daddy. Let's go.
Order filled.
All right, we're half a mini in here now, so. We definitely need to see a push down. Otherwise, it's kind of forming a trend to the upside. We have 18 seconds left of this candle. History is definitely repeating itself, so.
Order filled. Order filled.
It's officially 6:30 here. Central Time. All right, I'm going to de-risk a little and at some point move it down into free trade here. I'd like to hit it once it reaches like $50. I'll set it for $25 in the green if she gives it to us. It's not looking good, is it? Come on, Nasdaq. Good grief. I'm gonna de-risk to about 50
Order
bucks.
filled.
Yeah. Looks like it's gonna chop some more. I'll try it again up here somewhere, if it makes it. Tell you what I can do. I can put one
Order filled.
micro contract, risk another like 50 bucks, right? And when it reaches here, we'll do a sell. Do a couple of them. But I'm in just in case it drops, so. I don't think this is a reversal to the upside because of this gap we have to fill over here. We definitely need to fill the gap. Market's going to fill the gap. There's no doubt about it. So that gap is huge. It's looking really good to the downside still on the 15, as well as the 30 and the 5. think we come up. Could make a double bottom here, but if we do, I will be sitting on my hands. Barcoding. Would you look at that? Would you just look at that? Pretty disappointing. Where's VWAP? Way up there. Come on, Nazi. Anyone watching, make sure you hit that like button. Helps more people see it. Helps the algorithm. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe. Trade like this every day. Typically in the afternoon, but sometimes I get on in the morning. Gave away 2 Apex accounts last night, which was really cool. Not a fan, not a fan. I was hoping this was going to be a 15-minute time frame bear flag, but still might play out. We'll see. I don't like these wicks. I don't like the upside movement, but we are coming down, and we still have this gap to fill. So I don't know. I'm hopeful. I'd like to turn this trade into about a $250 trade. The reason why I took it in micros is because I wasn't 100% sure on this pullback. So it's called risk management. This barcoding though really sucks. Really sucks. Let's see some more momentum. Oh my, we're about to hit 666 subscribers. I'm not a big fan of that 666 number. So we need 2 people to subscribe like right away. Boom. Just skip the 666. We need to skip that number, yeah, for sure. Bill Knox good? Yeah, Bill Knox is great. Use code JSDT. You'll get an account for like $11. It's pretty cool. Pretty cheap. We do have some sizable orders on both sides, but more to the upside. All right, we have 26 people watching, so I need 2 of you to hit that subscribe button. Just do me a favor, please. I'm not superstitious, but I'm not a... Yeah, they actually pay out. I've actually never gotten a Bill Knox payout in spirit of transparency, but I know people that have. I've got 4 accounts of Bill Knox. I bought just not long ago, a few days ago. I haven't really traded them much. Those accounts are the types of accounts that I kind of churn and burn. I blow them fast. But those accounts were blown except for one. Anyone here ever had a Bill Knox payout? B. Collins, I'll unsubscribe. Then when it hits that number, I'll resub. All right, it's 666. Ew. Come on, someone. Hit that 7. I don't like looking at it. It's gross. It's not the number of our Lord. Anyone? Out of 25 people, are y'all all subscribed? Come on now. All right, we're at 665 now. Okay. Whoever did that, thank you. Turn your laptop upside down. This is a desktop. Maybe this will... All right, now, someone else subscribe. We're trying to keep that number alive. Is that what's going on? Tom, it's time to... Or B. Collins, it's time to sub back, bud. You guys are toying with me now. grief. All right, 668. Praise Jesus. All right, I'm happy now. I can pay attention to the charts and not the 666. Are they a good prop? I might buy it right now. Yeah, they're good. Buell Knox, Apex. Nah, they're not sketch, man. They're good. I know they're mango free. Welcome in. I know they look a little outdated, but they are. They're good, man. They pay. Just follow their rules like you would any prop. Buell Knox is fine, though. I wouldn't promote Buell Knox if they weren't. Every now and then you'll see a message come across with a 91% discount. Buell Knox is 91% off. Use code JSDT. I wouldn't promote them if it wasn't good. For right now, they are trustworthy. They've been around a while. All right, we've gotten through that 666 number, and I'm so happy. Now we're at 669 with an upside down 6. Let's turn that 69 into a 70. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. I'm giving back everything that I make from these affiliate stuff, so it's not like it's for my benefit. I did unsubscribe, and then I did unsubstantiated unsubscribe, LOL, then resulted. I wish I could unsubscribe from my own channel, man, because I would have at that point. It's coughing, man. I unsubscribed and resubbed. I figured that's what you meant, bud. All right, can we come down below these, this line here? If we can, I'm going to jump back in, a little heavier in size. But I'm sticking to my plan here. Appreciate you guys helping out, getting us to that 666 number. I just cannot stand it. Thank you so much. Good thing is we're at 7 likes, so we're good. The number 7. Number of our Lord. Where's my 1 minute at? There we are. Nasdaq, you need to blow through the 490s like now. Hey Ash, let me know if that code works for you. Nasdaq. Don't be dirty. Let's make some moves. She wants to come down, but she's just taking her sweet time. For those of you just coming in, we're trading this gap here. Last night I was trading in this area thinking we're coming down to fill the gap, but we kind of went up quite a bit, made some new highs, new all-time highs at that. When we're at ATH, I'm always looking for short opportunities because I just can't, in good faith, buy the market. Maybe short term, obviously you can buy anything short term, doesn't matter where the market's at, but in my opinion, in my humble opinion, we're at all-time highs. The only way up, the only way to go is down. The market's not gonna go way up in here, you know what I mean? So at least it never has. Doesn't mean it can't, I guess, but the only way direction is down. So I short the all-time highs just because I can't buy. I just can't. It must be a psychology thing, but it's just something that affects me. Hopefully not everyone else. My friend Dan, he made some money up in the all-time highs here. I didn't. I couldn't do it. This cross reminder that our sins are forgiven. That's one thing I love about day trading. See the cross. Often. All right, so if we can't get through these highs here, then we should start coming down in theory. But the market has been a little odd lately. Good thing is we are up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 550 already since last night. 550 bucks. We're down 173 on Top Step here though. I hope to gain that back pretty soon, pretty soon. Man, I'm so glad we got through that 666 number. Come on, Nasdaq. Wow, we have like 34 people watching. What's up, guys? Welcome in. People love seeing a live trade, don't they? decision. How much time is left on that candle? 5 minutes. Wow. It's hard to say which direction it's going right now. If I was to make a good educated guess, to the downside. Not because I'm in a trade, but I really feel strongly about this position. Any day now, Nasdaq. We love watching paint dry. My throat is really scratchy. I'm gonna grab a drink real quick, guys. One moment. maybe we can get a nice little sell off here. And I'll scale into a mini and a half, maybe 2 minis. It's not looking too good though. This candle needs to make it happen. Wow. Get a little algo move coming. What time is it? 8 o'clock market time. I'm used to a lot more talking and chit chat, but I guess it's morning time and people are in ill moods. But that's okay. Say hey if you want to. Mornings aren't the best for people. I get it. All right. As long as we can close below all of this, 493, 490, I'll start scaling in a little bit. Not enough coffee yet. I don't drink coffee. Sometimes I'll have a Red Bull, but not a coffee guy. Tom just made a fresh pot of coffee. I'm good now. There's some of my regulars. Let's see. Come on, Nasdaq. Push, baby. In theory, she should push down pretty hard. So that's what I'm hoping for. When this candle closes, I'll probably scale in quite a bit. I'm either going to lose a lot of money or I'm going to make a lot of money. But my risk limit is like $500 on this account, so I'll lock myself out. The good news is once we hit $200 today, whenever we hit it, we are eligible for payout. This is my first Top Step account. Been looking at the 1 minute sideways forever. Yeah, I have it right here. It's just like literally, if you trade chop like that, you could have made a lot of money. Nasdaq, don't do that. Jeez. But yeah, we'll get a payout once we hit $200 green. We've got to have 5 $200 days. But we're there. We just got to turn this negative deficit of 173 into $200, which I'm sure I can do. I've done it many times. The 1 minute sideways kind of had like a up trend slight to it, but now it's closing lower. So fingers crossed. I did a little poll on my community tab, and everyone's telling me to take a payout, but I don't want to take a payout. %. Wait, wrong one. Where'd it go? There it is. 57% of voted, 7 votes, not a lot, but take payout. I can't do it, guys. Can't do it. I might take a small payout just to show how it goes. How much have you made so far today? We are up around $500 in total. This account has a deficit of 173 currently. But I'll get it back. I'm not worried about it. Welcome in, Ahmed. We're kind of coming down now, so hopefully it works out. These dojis kind of worried me. This one did it first. Now this one kind of held me thinking we're good, but I think I'm gonna wait till the 490s or 493 to scale. On average, I'm pushing around $5,000 a day in total green. And I trade micros. I trade some minis too, but not much. I scale in, sometimes pretty heavy. Micros just give you the ability to, take a loss, but less significant. But whenever you're right on your trade, you scale in pretty heavy, and that's where you make your money. Make sure y'all hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you for your support. We're trying to grow this channel. It's a brand new channel. We've been around for a couple months now. We're already almost at 1,000 subs. It's awesome. Tom, I loaded up last night on Apex, 90% off. I think I saw that, man. I had a bunch of affiliate income come through. How many did you buy? Let's see. I could probably tell you how many you bought. Probably like 10 or 15. I think we were already at... Yeah, I'm not sure. Probably like 10 or 15, I bet. Oh, we got 20. Nice. The good thing is I don't really have to buy Apex accounts anymore. They give them to me for free. I hope they don't mind me sharing that, but I have to be transparent. All the Apex that I have, I didn't pay for. Come on, Nasdaq. Doing us dirty. Hard to pass up on a $19 deal. Yeah, I agree. Buell knocks when you buy an account, it's like 11 or 15, something like that. I plan to buy a few more Apex because I want to be in the 20 range too. I don't like asking for them, but sometimes my affiliate manager, he'll throw me some codes, so. Codes for me and then codes for you guys for the giveaways. That's one thing I love about Apex is the giveaways. They really support the community. Give people a chance to trade and make some money and get their foot in the door, you know? What am I targeting? Well, there's a gap right here. Last night, when the market opened Sunday night, we traded real high, so we made new all-time highs. So I short all-time highs. A lot of people say that gets you in trouble, but it hasn't yet. My target is low a day, or not low a day, this gap fill, honestly. But this might be an actual longer term trade. I'm gonna have to sit in this one while I'm out riding around. Game plan is to copy trade them slowly with micros, no hurry at all. Yeah, same here. My goal on all of my accounts, with Top Step, it's obviously $200 a day, but the rest of them, 150, 250, $500. If I get that, it's great. Across 20, 30 accounts. Best prop in my opinion. I like Apex. I really like Apex. The payouts have been pretty fast for me. I like Tradeify. I like takeprofittrader. I'm liking Top Step. I haven't been a fan of Top Step until recent. Tradeify. Buellnox is good too. I've never taken a Buellnox payout. I've never actually had a funded account with Buellnox, but I've had fundeds with all the others. I'm also liking Trade Day. Trade Day, I have one account. It's an eval, but I haven't traded it much. We're up like, I don't know that much. We're actually down. I forgot I took a loss the other day. Best prop though, I have to give it to Apex though, because of their involvement with the community. Yeah, I trade full time. I also own a business. For the last year, I've traded 100% full time, night and day, mostly New York session. But my business, I fired everybody, so I started working during the day. But I'm trading as I'm working too. I have a nice little setup. Here, I'll show you. Maybe I have a picture. I think I do actually. But here's my setup that I have now, what we're on right now. I have a little truck set up too. Do the math on copy trading, 20 Apex and 5 TPT, and only making $25 to $50 profit. The problem is, Apex, you have to make $50 minimum a day. So make sure you hit that 50 on Apex. But the math is, I get it. I've already done it many times. I thought I had a picture of my setup in my truck, but I trade on my iPad. I thought I had a picture. I know I do. There it is. I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not, but I have the iPad on the dash there, and then to the right of that I have my laptop, my MacBook Pro, and it works perfect. What's this? Gravity Humic. But yeah, that's my setup currently in my office here. Wow, I missed the move. Looking at my phone.
Order filled.
What's my strategy in a nutshell? Give me just a minute, I'll tell you. My strategy is pretty simple. I trade the 4-hour. My main strategy is the 4-hour chart, and I'm looking for large wicks. So let's say this is the 4-hour chart. I can do it on here in 1 second. So the 4-hour, I'm looking for these long wicks. You see these long wicks right here? I'm typically looking for 40 points or more on the wick. So 40 points, I'll go. I don't do this short very often, but I mostly do it long. So this wick, usually we go up about the same amount on the wick. You know what I mean? So that's my strategy in a nutshell. The price action strategy is really just momentum. I'm gonna go ahead and take another one here. We need like $400. That's what I'd like to be
Order
at.
filled.
Let me get somewhere down here. But yeah,
Order
the
filled.
4-hour strategy is amazing, man. Very rarely do I lose on the 4-hour. The problem with the 4-hour strategy is you don't get a lot of setups. But when you do get a setup, take it. It's awesome. That's not financial advice, by the way. The other strategy is this. I'm, trading this pullback. So I look at the 1-minute chart. Let's see if I can keep this over here where I can see the chart still. All right. So I'm looking for breakdowns. So you see this right here? It's kind of reversing. I traded reversals. Price starts to wick. You can see it kind of starting to give in a little bit. When we have a hard move down, I'm looking for a decent move back to the upside. Price tends to, like in New York session, let's say this was a bar up. New York session, price just zooms to the upside, right? We got a long wick here, and then some consolidation. It likes to come back down, slow grind down, you know what I mean? Or the opposite, if it shoots down real hard, it's going to come back up. Most of the time, I'm more successful with a downward play. So, like, I wait for the first, 20 minutes of the market, let it do its thing, come on down, and then I'll start buying. How long did it take you to become profitable? I don't know. I've been trading for about 10 years now, and not a consistent 10. The last year has been every day on the charts, 5+ hours. About a year now. But the before that, I'd get in, trade usually during the winter when my life is kind of slowed down a little bit, So I can't really, it won't make sense to you, like, to say it took me a year, you know what I mean? But probably in reality a year or so. Most important thing is time on the charts, man. Seeing price action, thinking, hey, this is what's going to happen. This is what usually happens. The market repeats itself. The more you see it, the more you'll be able to react to it. So I was waiting for this move down. I was going to scale in about right here, but I kind of missed it. Maybe even here a little bit more. Ken K, chart time is underrated. Oh yeah, 100%, man. Chart time is important. You know that saying, once you've got 10,000 hours in something, you're a professional? I've got more than 10,000 hours. I guarantee it on charts. I probably got it pretty quickly. Sorry, one of my suppliers is texting me. Alright, I'm back. Ken, I'm glad you said that, man. Chart time is 100% underrated. Somebody's hitting those likes. Appreciate it. Right now I'm down like $50. I don't like being down $50, but not on a micro trade, but I'm pretty confident we're going back down. Ben, looks like a W reversal pattern. It does. We have a double bottom here, but we kind of have a lower bottom. So if price gets above this area, I'll look to exit. I'll start scaling out if I don't see momentum pushing down anymore. Yeah, I guess you're right. Didn't close into the wicks. Typically, I'm looking at candle bodies, though. But you're right, it didn't. And I guess it really doesn't matter, candle bodies or wicks. So price was here. If this was a line, it would, look like that, right? So technically, you're right. 100%. PA is slow. Yeah, it is. We're just before market open. It's 8:30 market time almost. So, I don't know. It's been a minute since I've traded this early. Alright, I'm not liking this action at all. What time will I be trading till?
Order filled.
Probably another 30 minutes or so. I thought about going live while I'm in my truck, but I'm worried the sound quality is not going to be there. You know what I mean? So. I do have these Rode mics, the clip-ons. So, I don't know. Alright, Nasdaq, you did me dirty. Maybe it'll go up to the 524 area and then start working its way back down. Or it could stop here, keep coming down. Not sure how to use the DOM. What do you look for and why? I'm not a DOM trader. I have it pulled up. This is my live account. So I haven't really gotten acquainted too much with the DOM. I know you're looking at orders. So sometimes they like to spoof orders. So you'll see like 10 or 20 or 50 or whatever, but they're not really trying to get there. They're just trying to make people think that it's coming down, right? So from what I'm understanding, you're looking for large orders. More orders up here mean price is coming down. More orders up here means price is coming up. But don't take that as advice because I'm not 100% sure yet. I'm not a DOM trader. But I am taking the time to learn it. So order flow and volume, that's, I feel like it's good to add as confluence. You know what I mean? This right here, the numbers you see here, well, you can't see them, can you? These are volume. So, volume profile. I don't really know much about it, so I can't really give advice. I don't know. But when I do learn, I will let you know. Good call, Ben. It is a slight reversal for now. I think I'm going to have to skip out until after market open or during market open. I don't really see any opportunities to short this just yet. It might be a while before this gap's closed. Who knows, New York session might run it down, you know? We're at all-time highs though too, so that's another thing. Like, it messes with my psyche. I'm never comfortable buying when we're at all-time highs. It's better to look at the wicks for higher lows, not the candle close. To me, this is like a double bottom. I don't feel like it's a higher low because, I mean, it's within a few points, not much at all. If it was a significant higher price, then, because you know how the market is, it's pretty consistent, like on the 1 minute chart, right? It's pretty consistent, but it's inconsistent too, you know what I mean? Sometimes you'll see several hits on the same price line, but here we are, a few. So it's never like exact science, but it did reverse right there at 23,486. We wicked it, but here on the left side we bodied, candle body. So I don't know. I don't get too granular when it comes to wicks and candle bodies when it's this close, you know what I mean? Now if it was up here, it's a big difference. Good morning, John. New sub here. Did you trade live the whole week? Yeah, we do every week. I trade live every day, typically in the afternoon for Asian session. I own a business during the day, so I have to run my business. But welcome in, Giovanni. Thanks for your sub, your support. Much appreciated. God bless. All right, we're down $284. My risk limit is 500 on this Top Step account, so we won't be able to trade at all until the next day. And we're supposed to take a payout today. So I need to take this 284 and turn it into positive 200. Then we'll be eligible for our payout. Whether I take the payout or not, I'm unsure. I might do a small $250 withdrawal or something like that just to kind of show the new process on the new Top Step dashboard. But for now, I want to continue to build that buffer. And when we reach like 10,000 in income, I'll probably take 5,000 out. We'll see. I haven't 100% decided. We have exactly 1 hour until the market opens. Price action is just really weird right now. Nice. Glad to be here. Thanks, Sean. Yes, sir. Thank you. Glad you're here too, brother. Really, I do appreciate the support, man. It's awesome. I appreciate the whole community as a whole. The support for my channel has been pretty amazing. I started this channel because trading is boring by yourself. I enjoy trade. Let me close this curtain real quick. I don't like these bright lights. Trading's really boring by yourself, so yeah, I just wanted to kind of build a community around it. And in spirit of transparency, I do want to make a side income, affiliates and ads on YouTube or whatever. But at least I'm honest about it, right? And also, I'm new to prop firms, so January 2025 was the very first prop firm I've ever purchased. So I've been trading prop firms for 7 months now. Before that, I was trading my live funds, and when Trump came into play, I lost a lot. This makes me want to long up until VWAP. But if we get a rejection at VWAP, I'm shorting again for a long hold. A long short hold. Atlanta Filmmakers League, just subscribe. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Welcome in. God bless. Tom Pellegrino, I'm way too old to start a YouTube channel, but it sure is enlightening watching yours and some others. So thanks. Thanks, man. I sure appreciate it. And I don't think you're too old, man. I'm pushing 40. 37. When I tell people I have a YouTube channel, they're like, they think it's a little odd. But, yeah, I don't care. My kids love it. My daughter's wanted to be a YouTuber for years since she was like 5 years old. It's like the new thing, right? She's my biggest fan. Good morning, my guy. Good morning, Trey. How you doing? Good to see you again. It's really cool seeing some of the same names that I'm used to seeing in the afternoon, at night, or in the morning. I am trading NQ and MNQ. 75 and still the mind of a teenager. I feel like us men, man, will always have minds of our younger selves. The good thing is, I still look pretty young. I've looked the same since I was like 23. I haven't really changed much. I look like a young man. Good, man, up $300 so far on the day. Nice. I'm up like $500. This account is kind of suffering right now, but we'll bounce back. I need a little more price action. Good, man. Oh, yeah, I already read that. You should start recording her, bro. Look at Ryan. That little boy made millions on YouTube. Ryan. Who's Ryan? Post a link. I'll check it out. I'm about to pass off of my accounts and copy trade them. Heck yeah, man. Did you use my code to buy them? What are you trading? NQ? I mean, what's prop firm? Apex? We're looking at Top Step now on the chart, but we're trading Apex too. My Top Step is right here at payout. I just need one more $200 day, and we're eligible for payout. I'm going to take a small payout just to show the process in the new dashboard, because I don't think anyone's made a video showing that just yet. NQ on tradeify. I like tradeify. So yeah, I probably will take a small payout, but I'm trying to build my buffer. I want to build up slowly, and then I'll start trading minis and trading my 4-hour candle. My 4-hour candle, you can't really trade, you can, but it's hard to trade minis because sometimes that candle likes to come back down and retest the wick. So Ryan's World. Oh, okay, yeah, I've heard of that. My daughter actually watched that. I don't know that I want my daughter like in the spotlight like that, but I don't know. She's kind of annoying sometimes. But I love her. She's amazing. I have 3 daughters right now and 1 on the way. Here, I'll show y'all a picture of my little family. Some of y'all have already seen. Where you be? Here's my beautiful family. My wife, my 3 daughters, and then the one we have cooking up in the belly right now. You can tell I'm a girl dad. That's cool. How can you tell? These are all my girls. They're beautiful, aren't they? This was Easter, actually. My beautiful, amazing wife. She literally is amazing, man. She's so good to me. And our kids. God has really blessed me. Giovanni. Oh, that's good. Another girl, too? Yeah, another girl. I do have a son from a previous relationship, because you're soft-spoken and kind of way you speak to. I got you. Yeah, I remember you being here, so I guess you kind of, you're blessed, bro. Amazing family. Yeah, man, I am. Paul, you've seen my family. Daddy's girl is lovely. Family, God bless your family. Thank you, guys. I sure appreciate it. I'm very proud of my family, for sure. People have always told me I'm soft-spoken. And I am. I'm just not the obnoxious type. I'm reserved. I have too much humility. Sometimes that's a good thing. Or most of the time that's a good thing. But sometimes it's not. I feel like people like Patrick Whelan, they kind of have that big personality. You know what I mean? That's why he does so well on YouTube. Plus, I guess he's an okay trader. He makes more than I do. Anywho, people tell me I'm the most calm person they know. But yeah, when we found out we were having another girl, I was thinking, dang, God, you're really trying to make a statement here. Giving me all females. But another baby means another few accounts to increase the income now for fam. So yeah, I have like 30 accounts sitting here that I'm trading, but we got plenty of futures accounts, prop firm accounts, but we need more income streams. So that's why I started this channel too. I'm hoping to make, add another 500 to 1,000 or more per month to my overall gross income. Don't get me wrong, I'm very blessed financially. Praise the Lord. But another kids are expensive, man. Our family, we spend enough we spend $100 to $200 a day on food and just random stuff. And that's 36,000 plus a year. That's someone's salary. We eat very healthy though too, so we're very blessed. So yeah, it'll be nice to have a second income. I haven't actually applied for the monetization yet. We're eligible at 500 subscribers for some parts of the monetization. I guess like super chats and some other stuff, but I'm not really interested in that. I don't really care for super chats. People want to send a gift, whatever, that's fine, but my goal is to add income. That's good. May God bless you more, brother. Thank you, sir. May God bless you as well, and everyone watching. That's another reason I started this channel too, was to get the name of Christ out there. You know, I thought every day I see this cross, man. I mean, it's a constant reminder in the charts that Jesus sacrificed for us. You know what I mean? So it's beautiful to see that cross and sit here and think, man, what an amazing thing Jesus did for us, you know? And I don't care. Usually when I talk about Christ on here, I get a drop in numbers, but, you know, at least they heard Christ, right? I don't really care if they stick around or not. People can make fun of me, say what you want to say, but I'm a Christian man and I'm very proud of it. If you've experienced some stuff that I've experienced, I'm sure you would be too. Hit me up on Discord and we can talk about it. But yeah, seeing the cross every day, it's just a constant reminder of God's power, man. It's amazing. Me too, bro. Glad someone else thinks it like I do. 100%. God is very important. I support you, brother. Loud and proud. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you. That's one thing I've noticed. A lot of people, they like the Christian aspect. On my main chart here, I've got a Bible verse that I really like. The plans of the diligent lead to profit as surely as haste leads to poverty. Proverbs 21:5. To me, that means sit out and wait. Wait for your move. Be patient. Time to do a quick long, Massey. I'm gonna sit out, but you're right. I'm thinking long too. I'm gonna sit out. I'm actually fixing to go get ready and get my day started out in the field. What's the 15 looking like? Ooh. We probably test VWAP. And we may actually plow right through. I don't know. I don't like all-time highs. You heard of FSP? Yeah, I've watched him a lot. Kevlo. That's awesome. Yeah, I like FSP. He's a good trader. I like how he rotates accounts. I do the same. Have you taken his course, by the way? I haven't, but seems like it would be a little interesting to see some of his strategy. With that Apex discount, we just have 1 day to pass the value. Oh yeah, you can pass Apex 1 day, Tradeify 1 day, Buellnox 1 day. The funding ticks is not 1 day, but it's 2 days, I think, 3 days. Whoa. Got up a little early this morning. It's still dark outside, so I'm still kind of tired. I need a Red Bull. What's up, Massey? Good to see you again, sir. Wow, 675 subscribers. Pretty amazing. We'll be at 1,000 in like 2 weeks. I think so. Speaking of the 4-hour chart, you can see we're starting to get a little bit of a rejection here, and if that's the case, I'm going to be looking for long. So each box is like 10 points, so almost 10, so we'll say 10, 20, about 30 points so far. If this candle turns green, I'm going for a long position to at least 550, and I'll probably take that in a mini contract. I'll start out with 5 micros and scale up to a mini. Not much. How about you? Office day for me, so no trades until I get back. All right. I'm about to be out in the field, actually. But what happens if you don't pass it and one day you lose the account, or you still have 7 days? Oh yeah, you have more than 7 days. You have 30 days. So if you buy an account right now, you pay $18 and you have 30 days to pass it. At their 30-day mark, you will be rebilled for the account. So you'll be paying for it again. I think it's like $31 the second rebill. I'm not sure exact how much. I haven't bought an Apex account in a while. I've got plenty of them, but I did have a couple rebills hit the other day. One day pass means that you can pass in one day. You can pass. Doesn't mean you have to pass in one day. Buy you like 5 or 10 of them. Trade one at a time. See what happens for you. And don't forget, when you do get funded, you have to pay an activation fee. It's like $130, $140. I don't even know how much it is right now, but the after that you trade funded. So take your time on your funded though. Make yourself $50 a day, and the rebill is 80%, so it'd be $31 on the rebill. Thanks, Kev. But yeah, on the funded, take your time, man. Make your $50 a day and call it a day. Just slow and steady if you're new. Take your time, make your money, walk away. Like right now, I'm down $284 on this account. I'm up $500 over here. You can see my green P&L there. But this is $284 deficit. $500. I'm done. I won't trade it for the next day. I'll lock myself out. I usually hit the lockout for a little bit of time, probably an hour or whatever, a few hours. But I'll lock myself out. That way I can't trade and take a break, just walk away, let some price action happen. I don't like to lock myself out for like the whole day because, you know, my setup might present itself. So, but $500 is my limit of loss. Unless I have my A plus setup, I'm not trading. It looks like my A plus setup's trying to start presenting itself to the upside. Nice, really appreciate you, brother. Thank you, appreciate you. Gold is in a really good buy zone. Let's check out gold. Thing about gold is I don't really look at it too much. So I don't really know the chart as much as I do in Q. But yeah, it keeps rejecting down here, don't it? So could be a buy zone for sure. In 10 minutes, we are about to get a big spike on NQ or gold. Yeah, I feel like we're probably going to make some new highs again. I heard your strategy of $500 a day across 20 accounts is like $5K a day. That's good. Even $250 a day, man. That's what I go for. $250, and if I can't really see the market after making that $250, a lot of times I'll just walk away at $250 across a bunch of accounts. But yeah, that's my strategy. That's what I try to accomplish. I only have like 8 funded accounts right now, though, in total, across multiple firms. I had a really bad day, and I've had some issues with my copier, so I'm trying to rebuild again. But I'm doing it, doing the dang thing. My goal for next month is to make around 10 to 15,000 plus each week. I think I can do it. I'm setting myself up now for next month. August is going to be a record year for me. I claim it. I claim it. I claim it. I claim it. Yeah, I want to make 10,000 a week for the next 4 or 5 weeks. Or more. You can do it. Let's go. Oh yeah, manifesting. Imagine how many people I can bless with that kind of money. Just from trading. I'm already blessed financially, and I try to bless as many people as I can with the current income that I have. But imagine how many more people I can bless. That's the real motivation. Plus, I have 4 daughters and a son, and got to pay for college. All right, we're almost at 40 points on this 4-hour wick. So, long trades are looking really good, boys and girls. Kevlo, amen, bro. Amen, brother. What time is it? 7:55. I'm gonna hang out for a few more minutes here, and then I'm gonna pop on out of here, guys. I gotta get going. This is looking more and more like a quick pullback to the upside. We're at a key area. This is where price is kind of like wanting to be at, right? So if price chops around here, we could go up, we could go down, but we're at a key area. If we blow through it, then we're gonna have a long some part of the day. But if we reject at it, we're gonna go down. But I feel like I can't take a trade until after New York session because I don't know. Give it a little time. We only have 30 minutes till market open. I don't like trading just before market open. I want to see what happens. 15-minute opening candle. Wow, we've been on for 2 hours now. Should see a spike in price here, up or down, at like the 8:05 time or 9:05. Algorithm pop. Sometimes at the 9 o'clock mark too. Well, yeah, guys, there's only 1 day left of the 90% off Apex, so I want to hurry up and get that account you've been wanting. Not much time left at all. 1 day, 1 day, 1 day. And if you do, feel free to use the code JSDT. That is going to benefit me and the rest of the channel. The good thing is we've made a payout on Apex here. Sweet. Didn't even realize. Showing signs of rejection. Indecision on higher or not. Just kidding. All right, guys. It's 8 o'clock my time, 9 o'clock market time. I'm gonna get out of here. So far today, we're up like $500, give or take, and we're down 284 on Top Step. Hopefully, I can pull some strings and on the Nasdaq charts here and get that to $200 today and take a payout. I'll record the process in a little 5-minute video and post it to my YouTube. So people keep asking me to show the Top Step payout process, so I'm gonna do that. And yeah, Paul, you have an awesome day too, brother, and everyone else, thank you guys. Have an awesome day. Thanks for streaming. See you back. Yeah, absolutely, man. I'll see you tonight. I'll be on probably 7-8 o'clock tonight for an hour or so, but my camera just went out. Anyway, I gotta go spray some yards. Giovanni, have a blessed day, brother. Nice to meet you as well. Y'all make sure you manage risk today and, you know, just be patient. Remember this Bible verse here. The plans of the diligent lead to profit as surely as haste leads to poverty. Psalms 21:5. Just take your time. Watch the chart and wait for that perfect setup. Wait for it. Sometimes we get a little ahead of ourselves, and I'm guilty of it too. But, you know, whenever I'm doing, when I'm being patient, that's when I make the most money. It is. I'm sure it'll be the same for you guys. But anyway, hope you guys have a blessed day. Have a good one. Peace. Trade blessings.